Hey everybody, another lovely day at Phoenix Customs. Say hey to Betty. Today we're not working on Betty. Today we have a problem with Raven. Something's leaking. This week we had a couple days of rain. And once I came back out after the rain, I noticed that the seat right here was wet. And when I get in here, it's kind of sunny here, sorry for the glare. There was, where is it? Not here, or not where the window meets, but here. There were drips dripping into the car. Usually it comes from one of the sunroof drains being clogged. There's 4 of them. Where are you? One here in this area, one over here, and then one back there, and then one over here. These 2 in the back are hard to get to. These 2 in the front should be pretty easy, and you can usually push down some weed whacker line and it'll unclog it. We're going to try that today. I'm going to see if I can find the holes, and then I'm going to see if I can find those, and then I'll come back with the weed trimmer string and show you what I'm going to do. Okay, I pulled it into the driveway, got a towel down so if anything leaks while we're doing this, it doesn't leak onto my beautiful red seats. I'm not sure if we can see this. Not sure the easiest way to there's a hole right there. I'm not sure if it can be seen or not. It gets clogged sometimes. So, like I said, there's one on that side, one right here, one here, and it's further back. You can't really get to it. One over on that side. To get to these, if it's clogged, you got to tear the headliner out, and there's a whole bunch of crap. So we're going to use weed whacker line, and I've got some pulled out. We're going to feed it down through there, try to unclog the drain, and then we're going to pour water down there, and it should drain right underneath, right behind the front tires. So it goes to a certain point, then it kind of stops. You'll feel it. It doesn't go any further. It's like it's at an impasse. Pull that out. Somewhere around here. I can't look at the name. They're not they haven't paid. They're not endorsed sponsor. Let me try to get up here without killing myself. So I'm going to pour some plain water in here. Just I don't know how the YouTubers do this without killing themselves or having 2 people help you do this. I'm going to pour some in there. I'm going to come out here to the front of the car. And look at that. Drainage is where it's supposed to. Now, I will be able to test this theory. It's what day of the week is it? Saturday, Sunday or Monday. It's supposed to rain huge again. And the leak only happens, hang on a second. Leak only happens or appears to happen when the car sits. If it's raining and the car is just sitting in the driveway or on the road and not moving, is the only time it really leaks. I'll get in the car, and from this pillar right here is where it drips down onto me in the seat. So hopefully what I've done today has unclogged it. It's obviously draining. We saw that. I will test it. They want, I think the guy said it was between $2,000 and $4,000 at the dealership to diagnose and fix whatever's wrong. And we just did it for, I mean, we didn't even use the wire. I'm going to wind it back up and put it back in the garage. So that's not been used. And we used some water and a whole bunch of YouTube knowledge, because I checked 5 or 6 different sites and they all said the same thing, either that or blowing compressed air, and we didn't need to do that. So awesome. I'm also going to do the other side just because I'm already in here doing stuff. Might as well take a look at it, make sure it's not clogged so it doesn't leak on that side in the future. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, post them down. I'll answer them the best I can. And I think I'm going to do after I'm done unclogging the other drain, I'll do a cold start for you so everybody can hear it. Peace. I thought this was worth reporting. I'm here on the passenger side of the car. Poured water in here. Oh, it took a second, but it is peeing. I'm still going to unclog it because it drains very, very slow.